Yes, we started recording, and we reached to this point of designing the chases, and we included the mounts for it, the motor mounts, and we created a caster wheel. So let's see what did the book ask us to do exactly. So the first option over here is to create a simple extruded shell. Okay. By the way, in the recorded video, you might hear a voice that is maybe repeated. That's because I am connected to my mobile phone also. Right.
But when you go to your channel on YouTube, it's you don't have the echo. It's so
I think the echo is gone from one of the videos, I think, because that class I recorded from my laptop directly. But then, since I realized that some students couldn't hear me properly, that's why I am connecting right now from my mobile phone. And when I connect from my mobile phone, I think the program, this one, will detect my voice from two places, from the laptop and from the mobile also. That's why you are hearing the echo. But I will try to speak slowly. I think this maybe will deter the effect of the echo. Okay, so again we will be creating a simple extruded shell using some simple commands. We will not go through the for now. Later we will see that we can use the loft feature to create a shell, but we will not use it for now. Okay. So what did he set exactly? Select extrude and select the chases space as a profile and set the required distance to enclose all the required components. Okay. So he's assuming that I have put everything over here. All the Arduino and components and the motor driver. So that's why he made, if you can see over here, he did extrude the surface to 60 millimeter, and of course he made it the operation as a new body. Okay, again, so we then extrude and select the chases face as a profile, and the distance that he made is 60 millimeter, and the operation is a new body, and then shell are different parts that would be manufactured separately. Of course, the other parts will be separate. Why did we make the shell a new body? Because it will be a separate entity. Okay, so again, extrude the face of my shell, this one, of my chases, and I will drag it like 60 millimeters. 60. I think it will. I think it looks fine. But of course, we should make the operation as a new body. Okay. I think let me check again. I think he made the shell before creating the motor mounts. Because you can see over here. Let me go back. Design. You can see some interference from the mounts. So let us check what he has done exactly. Okay, so as I assumed he was hiding the motor mounts. So what we can do to hide that, so we can cancel it for now. Okay. And go back over here. Here is the combination that I made. If you can see on my the last operation I made is to combine these two mounts to the motor to the chases. So if I can suppress that by right click on the combination and click on suppress feature. In this case, if you check the bodies, you will see that you have your chases, and now the mounts are separated because you have suppressed the feature of the combination, which is this one, and it will suppress also the fillet that you have made. Okay. So what I will do exactly, I will bring the mouse or this mouse over here. Okay. Now my mounts are separate. So what I can do now is that I can hide them actually. I can also hide my motors from over here and work on the chases directly. So I will fillet this face again. I will delete this fillet that I made before, and I will create another fillet over here. Maybe for this one, for this edge, and this edge, and I will make it of 5 millimeter. And then now we can extrude this face. So just to extrude this face, and we choose a distance of 60, and we made it as a new body, not join, because we wanted to make it a separate identity. Oh yeah, sorry. I think I forgot something. I can also maybe hide this one or choose it actually. But let me also hide the caster bracket and all of these, I think, for now. And let's try to extrude again. I will see if I can, because I want also to include this. So what I can do, in fact, is create a sketch over here and select a center circle to cover this one. Okay, and then I can finish the sketch, and then choose the circle, plus I can press on it, and then click on Ctrl on your keyboard, CTRL, and click on the other chases, and you will be selecting these two faces, as you can see. Okay, and then you can extrude, make it 60, make it a new body, and then we'll have select all the chases as you can see over here. So we can now click OK, and then he said expand the modify tab and select the shell, and select the bottom face of the extruded body. Set the thickness as required. I made the thickness as 2.5. Let's see what does that mean. In order to be able to make this one shell, okay, I have to hide the chases. So this is my chases, if you can see, and this is my cover. If I hide the chases from the bodies, this one, okay, now I have only the cover. The cover I want it to be empty from here, because I want to insert all the components. So I can go to modify shell, choose the bottom face. This is the bottom face of the shell, and I made the thickness 2.5. Then I can click OK. Then I have a shell that if I show the body or the chases, as you can see, this is the chases. I have a shell above it that is empty from inside. Over here I can put all my extruded components, or the components that I have, like the Arduino and the motor driver and the battery holder also, as you can see over here. Okay. Then he told me to expand the modify tab. Now I can add some fillets to the top of the cover to make it maybe looks nice. Select fillet, select the required edges, and enter the required radius. For example, if I want to adjust the shape of the cover of my shell over here. For example, let me first of all choose fillet, go to modify, fillet, maybe choose the edges. Let's say I want to do this edge, this one, all the 4 edges of the top, and let's say this one, and we have this edge also, and yeah, I think I have choose for now 4 edges. So if I make a radius of, let's say 5, I think it looks nice. 5 is good, I think. You can, if you increase it, of course, it will be more, as you can see, circular. But I think 5 looks nice. So maybe you can choose 5, and you will have a nice shape, soft edge cover, as you can see over here. Okay. if the fillet cuts through the chases, locate the shell in the timeline. This is just in case if you choose a fillet that makes a cut like this. But I don't think you will face this issue. Just choose a fillet that is maybe of 5 millimeter only. Okay. And now if you show the body, for example, all the other bodies over here, these are the chases, I mean the mounts, if you can see. And if I hide the chases, I can see that the mounts are interfering, as you can see. Are interfering with, as you can see, this is entering to the shell. So what I can do then is just remove the extra parts of the shell that interacts with these. So, for example, what you can do is to create a sketch of the shell, maybe on this face, like this. And I want to make maybe this part empty. What I can do is to create a 2-point rectangle. Maybe this point. Let's say I want it to be approximately. I want to choose this point over here. Okay, or maybe above it a little bit so that they don't interfere like this maybe. Just above it like by a little. Press on ESC and select. You can click and choose all of it. As you can see, this is the rectangle we have drawn. Then finish the sketch. Extrude the same rectangle that we have drawn. And we want to make it cut actually to the other side, because we have also another mount on the other side. So just drag it so it passes like this, and make sure the operation is cut. But remember that to check the objects to cut. We don't want to cut our body 9 in this case, which are the mounts. We only want to cut our body 11, which is the shell. So I will uncheck this one and I will uncheck this one. And I only want to cut the shell. So if I press OK in this case, as you can see, I don't have the shell, this one, interfering with the mounts, as you can see over here. I have another emptiness over here, but it's fine. You can actually fill it with some sketching. You can either leave it, or if I want, for example, let's say to fill it, I should draw on this face, on the back face. I will go to the back face, maybe over here. Over here I will create a sketch. Okay. So if you want, for example, you can select a rectangle that is between these 2 points. So you can draw a rectangle maybe from this point. Let's say we want to choose a close point, not exactly the same. From over here, it looks fine. 2. 1 second. 2, maybe this point, the same edge. Yeah, I think this point looks fine. Okay, and then you can press ESC and then finish the sketch and select this face for now and extrude it to the inside, so that we make the thickness of 2.5, so I can select 2.5. But in the other direction, so I will make it minus 2.5 to be to the inside, and the operation is join, of course. Why did I choose 2.5? Because I made the thickness of this shell, I made it 2.5. Okay, and then I can click on OK. If I hide the mounts for now, I can see that the shell looks like this. It looks fine, and it's not interfering with the 2 motor mounts that I have made, as you can see. And if I show the chases, this piece over here, and hide my shell, I then can, let's say for example, I can again combine these bodies together. So I can again go to modify, combine, Or you know what? I think I can unsuppress this one. So already did the combine, but if you remember, we did suppress it. So if you right click on it, okay, first of all, make sure that you go to this point and unsuppress it. So again, my chases will be combined again. But in order for you, let's say that this point is not made, for example, I will delete it. So these are combined. How to do so? Let's just go to modify, combine. I want to combine my target body over here will be the chases, this one, and the tool bodies I want to combine these two, which are, as you can see, body 9 and 10. So this one and this one, and I want to join them. Operation will be join and click OK. So I have a chases and I have a body 11 which I can show. It looks like this. I can rename it. Left click on it. Maybe this one. Left click on it. Left click again after some time. Then you can change the name. I will name it shell, or you can name it cover, for example. Okay. And this is by the way a simple cover without using any of the advanced tools. Simple cover. If I hide it, for example, let's say I want to show everything else. As you can see, nothing is interfering with anything. It all looks fine. Okay. I think this is what the book. What has he done over here is that he created if you can see, sketch over here, and he excluded because he didn't assume that you would put amount. You don't have amount over here. That's why I did record for you this, and I have shown you this option over here. There is okay. This is the same. You can make it transparent. I showed you how to make the shell transparent over here to make sure that everything fits. This is the motor driver. So for example, I can go back over here and I can go to the cover. My body, which is the cover, can show it from here. And for example, the opacity of it, make it 50%, and it will be transparent, as you can see. 50% of transparency. So you can see what components you have inserted inside. And I have shown you before how to create or how to insert the components, if you remember. Anyone has any questions until now? I hope it's clear. And once you try to apply it, it will be simple.
That's the first part. It will be then curved on the front, right?
If you want to keep it like this, you know, like without any curves at the front, it's fine, because you are free to design whatever you want. I mean, if I return the opacity again to 100%, some people might like it like this. And if you want to add ultrasonic, remember the ultrasonic sensor, it was like, I show it to you over here, the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, it looks like it has two circles at the front. So you may, for example, create two holes over here so that you put the ultrasonic at the front. So I think this way will be easier. If you want, you can keep it like this. Maybe. It looks fine. I had one student last year, he had an idea of, since we are designing a shell for Expo 2020, he made some seats over here at the top. And to make the seats, I think it's also simple. All you need to do is just to sketch at the top of the shell, and maybe let's say draw or sketch some rectangles. Maybe that looks like this. Let's say, and on the same you can draw another rectangle. Maybe that looks like this. Okay. So and then finish the sketch, and then we have these two. We can maybe let's say first of all, I think we can extrude this one. to a distance maybe of let's say 40, and click on enter, and we will see that the sketch has gone, but we can show it from over here. If we open the sketches that we have, we can show the last sketch, which is this one, and we can then select this rectangle, the small one, and extrude it maybe to a less distance. So it looks like we have created a seat, you know. It looks somehow. Of course, you can control the dimensions, but it looks like a seat where like people can sit over here.
So, Mr. After this point, I can do whatever I like to do.
Exactly, whatever. I am just undoing the stuff I have done. So you can, again, I told you, you can maybe add your name over here. You can write maybe Expo. You can insert some, let's say you can create a sketch over here and write Expo 2020, for example, over here. So you can select some edges and like you can write Expo 2020, or you can write any sentence that you want. You can change the font, you can change the size of the writing, as you can see, the positioning, and then of course the sketch you can finish it and then go to extrude, choose the of course this surface, and you can extrude it. Oh no, sorry. Again, I don't want to be selected this one, so you can just unclick it, and you only want this text, and you can extrude it maybe to look like this. Okay. Or you can there is an option, by the way, is that you can maybe insert a simple image and you can draw on it so that you can extrude it later. But for now, try to keep it simple. Maybe you can write your name, your any sentence that you want to send to Expo. You know. I think that's it. Let's see. I think this is the options. Over here, he created a more advanced shell. He made a shell. You can see over here that looks like over here we have like a hexagon at the top, and over here he has a shape, of course, of the chases. So again, this is, if you remember, he has a video of it, but if you remember, this is looks like to make a loft. If you remember, we have talked about the loft feature, which is like if you have two different shapes, you can connect between them, like to make a 3D connection. Okay. So a connection between two different shapes, and the shape of the chases, which is in this case a rectangular, and he created a hexagon over here at the top, and he just lofted between them. I think if you go over the book, you will see that he created what we say construction layer over here, and on it he drew a hexagon, and then he did exactly to loft. Okay, this is another option. Maybe you can. But I'm trying to make things simpler for now. So you can make a shape that looks like this. Maybe if you want, by the way, if you don't want to shell this one, so let's say I did shell it already, fill it, but maybe you can choose chamfer. So you should be selecting edges for that. Let me see if I can choose this edge too. I think I did fill it. So let's say that let me look for the fillet that I made the last one. I think this is it. So maybe I don't want it. I want to suppress it or delete it for now. So maybe you want to make a chamfer over here. Modify chamfer and select this edge. Maybe it will look then like this. Okay. So you are free to do whatever you want in this design. Let me go back. I think it looks. So all the adjustments, then just click on save, and it will be saved later on. So now, when you have done all the adjustments, maybe choose a nice view, like this, and you can take a screenshot of it. Okay, and then you can submit what is there in not LP6 in this time, LP7. Okay, now you have this activity over here. He told you to do activity 1.5.3 and 1.5.4. So you can open it, download it, and go over to 1.5.3 and 4. You will see it asks you to sketch the shell. So over here you will mention two advantages and two disadvantages of your design. The advantage could be of the design that we have made. Let's see, it will fit all the components. This is an advantage. My design, it will fit all the components. Okay, all the components. Okay, maybe the disadvantage is that it looks maybe simple. It looks simple. Okay, it could be improved in strength. It could be maybe we have weak. If you know this word, weak aerodynamic. Okay. The aerodynamic, if you know that why the sports car usually they have what we say like they are low to the ground and they have too much curves. Okay, so they have good aerodynamics. I don't think this is a good option for aerodynamic. So maybe this is a disadvantage for the design. Okay, so you put the sketch over here. Okay, you take a picture of your sketch. You sketch by your hand. This one. When you see sketch, it means by your hand. Put a picture of it. Okay, take a picture of it and attach it over here. And then the last one over here, 1.5.4, is to create a 3D CAD. Means 3D model. So this is my 3D model. Take a screenshot of it and submit it over here.
Mr. On disadvantage, you wrote weak. What did you mean weak?
I wanted to say weak aerodynamic. I think it's written like this, aerodynamic.
تقصد أستاذ أسبوع يعني؟
You know what this word is? No, weak aerodynamic is disadvantage. يعني design اللي سويناه this one, it has weak aerodynamic. Aerodynamic, if you know, I don't know if you heard this word before. حدا بيعرف يا شباب شو يعني aerodynamic؟
ايوه استاذ، الديناميكيه الهوائيه يعني يستخدموها بتصميم السيارات الحديثه. كل ما قلت الاير ريزيستنت كل ما اعطاهم انسيابيه اكثر.
يعني عليك بالضبط. الايرودايناميك اللي هي لما تلاحظوا ديزاين السيارات الرياضيه الجديده كل ما لهم بيركزوا على موضوع الايرودايناميك اللي هي الريزيستنس تبعت الهواء، مقاومه الهواء للسياره. فكل ما مثلا تحسنت الايرودايناميك بيكون السياره بتصير اسرع حتى لو ما ضفت لها قوه المحرك بسبب انه صارت مقاومتها للهواء احسن، الهواء الموجود في الشارع مثلا. فنحن الديزاين اللي عندنا فيه weak aerodynamic. ليش؟ simply because يعني if it goes to the air for example، إذا هي ماشية في الهواء الطلق it will has because of this big face over here it will have weak aerodynamic، مقاومة هواء كبيرة راح تكون.
فإذا كان شارب بيكون يعني more strong and better.
exactly. إذا سويت الديزاين تبعه مثلا فيه curves أكثر، إذا تتذكروا مثل الرسومات اللي فرجيتكم إياها من قبل like maybe this one. It looks like a car. Okay, maybe yeah. See, as you can see, I think over here it mentioned these arrows to mention the aerodynamic. مقاومة الهواء. Okay, maybe by the way, an advantage of your car that it is eco-friendly. I forgot this point. Eco-friendly, maybe it means that it is environmentally friendly. Maybe you want to make your car run on batteries and some renewable energy, not on petrol. So if it run on petrol, course, we have like carbon, right? Carbon fingerprints. So it will have a bad effect on the environment. But over here we are dealing with electrical car. Remember that we will be using battery holder. So this is an advantage, right? We will not be using petrol. ما راح نستعمل البنزين. فهذه راح تكون عبارة عن advantage. تمام؟ Anyone has any other question?
Seems all clear.
Okay, let me stop the recording.